Hi, my name is Jaehyun Park. I'm currently based in Brighton, UK. My expectations of coming to Oromia, I actually didn't know what to expect. I knew we would be on a mountain, high mountain, camping, but when I arrived, every day there was something new to discover, whether it was animals that were joining us in our campsite, whether it was seeing the change of vegetations as you get higher along the mountains, beautiful waterfalls, amazing views from the top of the mountain. Every day was new and amazing. I would definitely recommend anyone who hasn't visited Oromia. And one thing I would like to suggest is that we get to know Oromia a lot better. And I'm hoping that each visitor who visits Oromia can become ambassadors to tell how beautiful this place is. And perhaps the government or anyone who's interested could invest a lot more on having better access, because it is quite far. So, whether it's roads, whether it's facilities, I think that could make it a lot better. But I hope everyone can have the same experience that we had in the past 4 days. Thank you.